Most people think focus is about discipline. It's not. You don't lack focus. You lack the conditions for focus. Think about this. There were moments in your life when focus happened naturally. You didn't force it. You didn't motivate yourself. You just disappeared into the work. That wasn't luck. That was flow state. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enter flow. Not occasionally, but deliberately. Step 1. Remove distraction before you add effort. Flow doesn't begin with effort. It begins with silence. Your brain cannot go deep if it expects interruption. Every notification, every open tab, every background noise keeps your mind on alert. Psychology shows the brain needs predictable safety to release deep focus. So before you start, phone on airplane mode, one tab open, one task written clearly. This isn't discipline. This is permission for depth. Step 2. Choose a task that demands you. Flow only appears when the task is worth your full attention. Too easy boredom. Too hard anxiety. Flow lives in the middle. Ask yourself, is this task slightly uncomfortable but meaningful? That discomfort is the doorway. If the task doesn't demand you, your brain won't offer its best. Step 3. Time box the session. Flow hates open-endedness. When time feels infinite, the brain delays commitment. So give your brain a container. 30 minutes. 45 minutes. No negotiation. Psychologically, deadlines sharpen focus. They create urgency without stress. You're not working forever. You're just showing up fully for now. Step 4. Start badly on purpose. Most people wait to feel ready. Flow doesn't care about readiness. It cares about movement. Start messy. Start imperfect. Start wrong. Psychology proves this. Action reduces resistance. Momentum kills overthinking. Flow arrives after engagement, never before. Step 5. Stay long enough for depth. This is where most people fail. The first 10 to 15 minutes feel uncomfortable. Thoughts wander. Restlessness appears. That's normal. That's your mind detoxing from stimulation. If you quit here, you never reach flow. But if you stay, something shifts. The noise fades. Time loosens. Attention locks in. Flow rewards patience. Step 6. Don't multitask, ever. Flow is fragile. One message, one switch, one interruption, and it collapses. Multitasking isn't a skill. It's a focus killer. If you want flow, you must respect singleness. One task, one direction, one mind. The real secret to flow. Flow isn't about talent, or intelligence, or motivation. It's about environment, challenge, and commitment. Protect your attention. Choose meaningful difficulty. Stay longer than your comfort. That's how flow becomes a habit, not a coincidence. If this helped you, subscribe to Book 2 Better, and comment flow if you want a deeper routine. I'll see you in the next one.